You can demotivate us as much as you want. We are not still giving up. My darling little ghost.
Seems like there is some psychological disorder in your brain. My brilliant students of psychology will show you what's wrong with you, girl.
Hello everyone, we are the students of psychology and first I'm going to start with a question. What is psychology? Can anyone answer that?
What do you, or what do you think psychology is about? Please, we need participation. It's very embarrassing. Anyone, we won't judge you. It's okay. You can say whatever. Okay, anyone from the students? Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Psychology is the study of human behavior and mind.
Today we'll be presenting a few
Facts and illusions, and then we'll end with stupefying.
Okay, starting with the facts. These are few psychological facts. We have researches which are based on it. I won't be telling you the researches, but if someone wants to know, they can meet me probably because the researches are too long. Firstly, 68% of the people suffer from phantom vibration syndrome, the feeling that one's phone is vibrating when it's not. With vibration, also ringing of the phone, it's not only about vibration, but also you think that your phone is ringing when it's not. Don't worry, you don't have a disease. It's just a syndrome. Yeah. Posting a calorie chart in fast food restaurants leads people to choose less heavy food items. You might think that if a restaurant has a calorie chart posted, then you might choose heavy food. And you won't opt for a food which is, unhealthy. But that's not the case. Researchers proved that when they took a survey when they went to fast food restaurants, they surveyed that the people are they are more tempted towards eating the food rather than just seeing the chart and changing their options. And they prefer taste more than their health probably. The third one is psychological fact. You can only dream about things you already know. The faces of people you see in your dreams are faces you have already seen before. It might not be true for all of us, but generally it is the case. You might not even realize that you have seen that person before, but 98% of the times you have seen that person before earlier in your life. Okay. Do you fear your parents-in-law? And if you do, then you have soccerophobia. It is a type of phobia in which you have fear of parents-in-law. Okay, you can laugh. No one will hit you. 98% of the time when someone says they have to ask you a question, you think of all the bad things you have done recently. So, next. Yeah, okay, now we'll move on to illusions taken over by Shivangi. Thank you.
Hello. Illusions, I'm going to say about illusion. Okay, what are illusions? Illusions are the misinterpretations of our brain. When we see something, the things which are misinterpreted by our brains are illusions. Generally, our brain likes to group things into, the patterns or similar patterns we have seen earlier in our life. This is one of the illusion. You feel that it's going down, but no, it's just because of the structure. It's just because it's circular and the lines are like that, you feel it that way. Now, how many circles are present in the image below? Uh, there are no triangles. There are just V shapes which are arranged in that way, and 3 Pac-Man shapes. We cannot decide whether this is standing or laying down. It's also kind of an illusion. Okay, let's try an illusion with you. Okay, any volunteer, please? Okay. Okay, volunteer. Can someone volunteer, please?
Now we can see your faces.
Yeah.
You can pick up pick anyone.
Okay, so no one's volunteer. I'll ask my mom to do that. Okay, mama, dinner. Okay. What? Okay. I want you to I want you to tell me, where do you see the dot? Inside the cube or outside the cube? Inside. Inside? Now stare at it for like 15 seconds. Stare. And you can do, all of you. Now, where do you see the dot? Outside. Okay, thank you. Okay, this image, the image you just saw was a 2D image, but because of its structure, you feel it's a 3D image. It gives a 3D effect. Now, these kind of objects and shapes are known as ambiguous images. Here is a quote by Daniel Gilbert. It's our experience of the world, how we see it, remember it, and imagine it is a mixture of reality and comforting illusions. What just happened with you was when you saw the image, your mind had two hypotheses created in your mind created two hypotheses. Now the mind was shifting between them because the picture did not give you a clear idea of what shape the cube, what face was in front and was in the back. Next. Okay, so we move on to Stoop Effect. Thank you.
Game time! So we are going to play a game today. I would like to have a policy over here.
Guys, please volunteer. We're not going to cut your brains, okay? That comes later. Hello, sir. What's your name, sir? Sir. Hello, sir. Join in.
We'll tell you what you are supposed to do. There are three phases, the practice phase, second and the third phase. In the first one, you have to just read the words like grey, red, pink and so on. In the second one, you'll have to read the color. Black, purple, yellow, blue, grey. And in the third one, you'll have to read the color and not the word.
Okay.
Grey, red, pink and so. The practice phase.
This is not going to work out well.
What's the punishment?
You'll have to read it vertically.
The whole point of the game is that you can't do it. Okay, so blue, yellow, orange, purple, red, blue, orange, black, brown, pink, green, red, blue, black, yellow, brown. Red, black, yellow, brown, purple, gray, pink, green.
Now you'll be timed.
On your mark, get set.
1 second, 1 second. Yeah.
On your marks, get set, go!
Red, pink, green, gray, yellow, black, purple, orange, yellow, orange, gray, brown, red, brown, black, pink, blue, brown, black, pink, green, purple, yellow, brown.
He took 9 seconds. Give a big round of applause. Excellent performance. Now,
The third phase.
now, on your mark, are you ready? Get set, go!
blue, yellow, red, blue, red, blue, black, 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 purple, green, red, blue, black, yellow, black, red, black, yellow, black, blue, black, purple, green. So it took 20 seconds, guys. 20 seconds.
Which one was the most difficult for you? Yeah. The third one was the most difficult because the color and the meaning of the word are incongruent. The conflict is resolved by the brain. It takes longer because the brain has to suppress the wrong information which interferes with the right answer.
Now, why does this happen? Now, there are three theories why this happens. The first is called speed of processing theory. Our brain processes the words we read faster than it recalls the colors that the words are written with. That is called the speed of processing theory. The second one is selective attention. Our brain is attuned to reading words because we are in constant habit of reading words and not looking at the color the words are written in. So that is selective attention. The third one is automatic attention level. So our brain, so memory has a central executive system which when in jeopardy or when in trouble it tries to come up with new solutions to problems that we haven't already faced. For example, if you're driving a car on a very plain road, so you will drive it subconsciously. But if there was a cow to come in between, so you will get startled. So that's when your central executive kicks in, and that's when you try to formulate new ways to turn around the car. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.